Hello, my name is Rafi Islam and my student ID is 20336107, and now I am talking about my applications, and I have designed the expense tracker application using Android Studio platform and Java programming language, and my app name is Moneyminder application. And so this is entire programming has been done using Java language and Android Studio platform, and I have designed all the classes and the pages using Java, and the database part that I have designed using SQL site. And so in SQL site I have designed the backend part, and the pages are designed, and so that is front end using Java. And if I run the main activity and Java program file, my application will be open, and that's why the Moneyminder application will be opened. And when I open the application, the two option will be shown, and that's one is the sign up option, and other option is login options. And first of all, the user will be create their registrations. And so I am firstly sign up my application, and I click the sign up option, and there will be three options shown: username, email, and password. And first of all, I given my username, and the username I created Rafi 1943, Rafi 1943. And the email I showed Rafi, Rafi, Rafi 12 @gmail.com, gmail.com, Rafi12 @gmail.com. And the passwords I will be create Rafi 123, and my username is Rafi 1943, and the email is Rafi12 @gmail.com. And then I create my password, and that's why I am register the application. So I register the application. So when I register the application, the login option will be automatically open, and that's why I log in my applications. And the login option is two options: email and password. The email options I created the register options, the putting my email, and now I give this email and passwords, then I automatically log in my page. And the email address is Rafi12 @gmail.com. And the password I given, the register options I given now, 123. So that's why I successfully log in my applications. So if when a new user have registered first yourself, username, email ID, and passwords, and after he can log in my applications. So after giving you his username and passwords, and he can log in into your applications. After login, he can store, he can see the expense tracker page, and inside the application. And then the login ID, password, and his email ID, that will be stored in the SQL database at the backend sites. And after the login, Moneyminder applications will see the expense page will be opened. In a particular expense page, I can record my expense, like expense title, amount, date and time, and locations, and it will be stored in the backend page. And now I create the spent title, I already stored two spent title, food and grocery. Now I am expand cloth, 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 and the amount is around 500 pound, and the date and time is today date I created 999, and the location is London. Location is London. And if I create the record expense, and this it automatically stores in the record options. And when if I given the number of expense like catering, food, cloth, and any item, I can record my expenses. And in the insights and analytics options, which recorded I created, and this will be stores in this platform, and this will be stores in this platform. So like I created expense by category, monthly summary, and a month of spent, and a month of spent, and these three programs. And if there is button, and if I click the expense analytics, and then I will track the all expenses together in a visual format. And so this is the total complete expense tracker applications named Moneyminder. Now I am showing all of my code. And this is the login activity, this is the login activity code, this is the login activity code. And this is the main activity code. And this is the register activity code. And I have also created the different layout like activity analytics, activity home, activity login, activity mail, activity registrations. And this is the layout, activity analytics. Here there is activity analytics, and this is activity home, activity login, activity login page, this is activity main page, and this is activity registration page, this is activity registration page. So this is my final code, the Moneyminder application, Moneyminder applications. So I can user can definitely store their the daily expenses in this store. And my presentation slide, this is the Moneyminder personal expense tracking applications. This is the introduction of the system, and this is the use case diagram, and this is the class diagram, and design and patterns, what I created these applications. And this is the sequence diagrams, user interface diagrams, and this is the test plan, and conclusion and critical evaluations, and this is the reference. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.